Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing for you. I've just received this morning, so I'm looking forward to opening it up. I purchased it on eBay the other day, so it's finally arrived. Let's see what's inside. This is second hand, by the way, it's not entirely brand new, and it's a HD PVR. Box is a bit wrecked, but I didn't pay for the box, so let's open it up. Okay, that's packed nicely. Okay, so we've got some cables here. I'm not sure what that is. Aerial, I think. Aerial cable. We've got the USB. And we've got the component cables. Here's the software disk, won't be using that. And here's the actual box. It's pretty small, to be honest. I expected it to be a lot bigger. But yeah, there's the box. Anything else in here? Oh yeah. Power adapter, obviously. Need that. And that's it. That's everything. Well, that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to be plugging it in, setting it up and using it today, so hopefully get some good content from my Xbox. So yeah, thanks for watching, I'll see you then.